Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for home improvement and renovation business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started. After you sign up, it will take you to the dashboard. So as you see here, it will take you to the dashboard. Here you're gonna set up your website and storefront. Okay, so here you're gonna set up your website and storefront. Click on it. It will take you to the editor page. So here you're gonna customize and design your home page. Go to the settings and go to the templates and go to the home topics. Okay, so here you can select one of these templates here, it depends on your business. So for me, I'm gonna choose just a random one, like this one. Okay, so as you see here, the first thing here, you have to change the announcement. So you have to change everything in this template. So start with the announcement. You have to change it. You can also add the action link and the design. Choose your favorite style. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the header. Okay, so you have to add here your store name, and you have to manage the navigation menu. So you can add the menu item. You can delete this and add your own menu items. And in the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive. Anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size. Okay, the simple details, it's important to make your site looks attractive to the customer. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. So here in the store section, you have to create your product. So go back to the dashboard and click here add your products or services. Okay, now go on your products. So as you see here, you have to add the product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, and the weight on kilogram. Also, you can customize the prices options, and don't forget you have to add the description of your product. So after you're done, you can save this place and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, the product name, the product image, the product price, and then the buy button. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. As you see here, you can use this title here. You can add the subtitle, and here in this description you can talk a little bit about your company information, something about your products, how and where are they made, and what makes them unique. So choose your favorite layout, change the color. Also you can change the font, so just like this. Now let's move on to the cover. So here, as you see, after you add the tagline and the title and the description and an interactive description that matches the title, now you can change the image from the browser. So you can, for example, search on home improvement, and renovation. Okay, so as you see here, you can choose one of these images here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one here. If it's matched with your business, you can keep it. If this match with your business, you can keep it just like this. You can change it. Okay, so So that's it. After this, go to the design and choose your favorite layout here. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the company information. Nothing special here. You can talk about your company informations, about your business, and you can tell your customers details about your business and what your company offers. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the benefits. So the same thing here. You have to change the selling points, add your own selling points here, and the layout. Choose your favorite layout. Just like simple like this. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the customer reviews. So you have to add the review text and the author name, the image. So of course you have to change all this if it isn't match with your business. And the layouts, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so let's move on to the next section, the location section. So here you have to add your business address. You have to add exact postal address or postcode. You can enter the daily hours, the contact information, and the social profiles. Okay, and the layout, I rather choose this one of the map in the background. You can zoom here. You can zoom your location and keep it just like this. Okay, and after this, the last section here, the footer section. So you have to enter your company name for your store name for the copyright. And if you want to add something new, you can just click here add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview, and here you can verify if it's if something need to design or whatever you want to design something here. And after you verify, you can just publish it. You can start selling now. You can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.